Question number 1. The first fetal moment felt by a mother is termed. The correct option is A. Quickening. Question number 2. What is the recommended number of antenatal visits? The correct option is D. 4 visits. Question number 3. What is the most common complication of postpartum? The correct option is B. Hemorrhage. Question number 4. What is the definitive treatment for eclampsia? The correct option is C. Delivery of the baby. Question number 5. Which is not a component of the Apgar score? The correct option is C. Blood glucose. Question number 6. Kangaroo mother care is primarily used for. The correct option is B. Premature infants. Question number 7. The hallmark symptom of gestational diabetes is. The correct option is D. Hyperglycemia. Question number 8. The lactational amenorrhea method is effective for up to. The correct option is B. 6 months postpartum. Question number 9. The most common side effect of oral contraceptive pills is. The correct option is A. Nausea. Question number 10. The breast milk contains with high immunoglobulin in the highest concentration. The correct option is A. IgA. Question number 11. The most common cause of cardiac arrest in children is. The correct option is D. Respiratory failure. Question number 11. Pregnant woman requires an additional daily intake of how much proteins? The correct option is C. 25 grams. Question number 13. The drug of choice for severe postpartum hemorrhage is. The correct option is D. Carboprost. Question number 14. At what gestational week is the first antenatal ultrasound typically recommended? The correct option is B. 11 to 14 weeks. Question number 15. Which presentation is most common during normal delivery? The correct option is D. Vortex. Question number 16. A prolonged latent phase of labor lasts longer than. The correct option is D. 20 hours. Question number 17. The uterus typically returns to its pre-pregnancy size by. The correct option is C. 4 to 6 weeks postpartum. Question number 18. Neonatal hypoglycemia is defined as blood glucose below. The correct option is B. 40 mg per deciliter. Question number 19. Cow's milk is not recommended for infants under the age of. The correct option is D. 12 months. Question number 20. The primary cause of maternal death in eclampsia is. The correct option is A. Stroke. Question number 21. The most common postpartum infection is. The correct option is B. Endometritis. Question number 22. The normal head circumference at birth is approximately. The correct option is C. 34 to 36 centimeter. Question number 23. Folate supplementation during pregnancy helps prevent. The correct option is A. Spina bifida. Question number 24. Iron absorption is enhanced by which vitamin? The correct option is B. Vitamin C. Question number 25. A pregnant woman with a BMI above 30 is considered. The correct option is D. Obese. Question number 26. Breastfeeding reduces the risk of which condition in mothers? The correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 27. Complex parts is seen in measles are found in the. The correct option is C. Buccal mucosa. Question number 28. A reactive non-stress test indicates. The correct option is B. Good fetal oxygenation. Question number 29. The most accurate method to confirm rupture of membrane is. The correct option is D. Ferning test. Question number 30. The preferred position for a laboring woman to enhance fetal oxygenation is. Correct option is B. Left lateral. Question number 31. At what age is the first dose of the MMR vaccine given? The correct option is C. 12 to 15 months. Question number 32. The pentavalent vaccine protects against all except. The correct option is A. Rotavirus. Question number 33. A molar pregnancy is associated with which of the following? The correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 34. The condition of severe protein deficiency in pregnant women is known as. The correct option is B. Kawasaki. Question number 35. In neonates with respiratory distress syndrome typically requires. The correct option is D. Surfactant therapy. Question number 36. A neonates born to a diabetic mother is at risk for. The correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 37. A common side effect of hormonal contraceptives is. The correct option is A. Hypertension. Question number 38. The most common metabolic disturbance in neonates is. The correct option is B. Hypoglycemia. Question number 39. A red reflex test in infants is used to detect. The correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 40. The station of the fetal head is determined in relation to. The correct option is B. Ischial spines. Question number 41. Neonatal jaundice require phototherapy occurs when bilirubin levels exceed. The correct option is C. 15 milligram per deciliter. Question number 42. The fetal head's engagement in the pelvis is measured by. The correct option is C. Station. Question number 43. A breastfeeding mother should increase her calories intake by. The correct option is A. 500 kilocalorie per day. Question number 44. The initial dose of vitamin K for newborns typically given. The correct option is C. Intramuscularly. Question number 45. Gestational diabetes is typically diagnosed between. The correct option is D. 24 to 28 weeks. Question number 46. The most definitive test for ectopic pregnancy is. The correct option is A. Ultrasound. Question number 47. The best method for preventing hypothermia in neonates is. The correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 50. The most common symptom of postpartum infection is. The correct option is A. Fever. Question number 49. The prepared position for a lever to improve fetal oxygenation is. The correct option is B. Left lateral. Question number 50. Emergency contraception should be used within. The correct option is C. 72 hours. Question number 51. Postpartum fever lasting over 24 hours is usually caused by. The correct option is A. Endometritis. Question number 52. The first line antibiotic for Friedreich otitis media is. The correct option is B. Amoxicillin. Question number 53. Natural family planning methods are least effective due to. The correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 54. The primary cause of postpartum psychosis is thought to be. The correct option is A. Hormonal imbalance. Question number 55. The maximum safe dose for oxytocin for labor induction is. The correct option is A. 20 units per minute. 10 units per minute. Question number 56. The first line fine motor skill developed in infant is. The correct option is B. Grasping. Question number 57. The second dose of the measles vaccine is given it. The correct option is D. 18 months. Question number 58. The most common complication of phototherapy is. The correct option is B. Dehydration. Question number 59. The effectiveness of the withdrawal method is reduced by. The correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 60. Vaccination for HPV is recommended starting at age. The correct option is B, 11 years. Question number 61. Which of the following increases the risk of amniotic fluid embolism? The correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 62. The most common site of postpartum infection is. The correct option is A, uterus. Question number 63. A neonate is considered premature if born before. The correct option is C, 37th weeks. Question number 64. The Moro reflex typically disappear by. The correct option is B, 4 months. Question number 65. The most common position for delivering a baby is. The correct option is A, lithotomy. Question number 66. Breastfeeding should be encouraged because it reduces the risk of. The correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 67. The Quadruple marker test includes all except. The correct option is D, fibrinogen. Question number 68. The first permanent teeth to erupt are usually. The correct option is C, first molars. Question number 69. HIV transmission from mother to child is most likely during. The correct option is B, labor and delivery. Question number 70. The most sensitive test for confirming pregnancy in the first week is. The correct option is B, serum beta HCG. Question number 71. The normal weight gain per week for a healthy neonate is. The correct option is B, 100 to 150 gram. Question number 72. The drug of choice for treating rheumatic fever is. The correct option is C, penicillin. Question number 73. The most common complication of multiple pregnancies is. The correct option is A, preterm birth. Question number 74. The drug of choice for preventing preterm labor is. The correct option is B, nifedipine. Question number 75. The most common cause of seizures in children under 5 years is. The correct option is B, febrile seizures. Question number 76. The cardiac output in a pregnant woman is increased approximately. The correct option is D, 50%. Question number 77. The primary source of progesterone after the 10th week of pregnancy is. The correct option is B, placenta. Question number 78. The most favorable pelvic type of vaginal delivery is. The correct option is A, gynecoid. Question number 79. The normal duration of the third stage of labor is. The correct option is C. 30 minutes. Question number 80. The Apgar score assesses all of the following except. The correct option is D. Gestational age.